Hi Kirby fans, so today we're going to be looking at the tech drive pedal switch and how to reassemble it to the exact distance. So what we'll do is I'll get straight to it. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate. Slap that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Oh no, don't forget, everything to show in the video today and all my videos, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products, so make sure you check those out. So what I'll do is jump into today's video now. This is going to be a bit of a short one. I've been asked by a number of people how to put these back together, which I have shown in a previous video, but you need the exact position for this. So I'm going to show you how I work it out, and then it's entirely up to you. You can follow it and see if it actually works. It works for me all the time. So it's something I hadn't shared, so I thought I'd get it out there. So what we'll do is we'll jump straight into it. Right, so there's three items you're going to need. Now you can either use a tape measure, might be more than three. You're going to need a Sharpie. You can use a combination square, a Stanley knife or your teeth, and some PVC tape or some masking tape. Now I haven't got one that's apart, I've got one that I've fully assembled. So what we'll do is we'll show you that. So I'm just going to break off some tape first. Now if you pretend this is apart, what you're going to do is you're going to put that in drive, okay? And you're just going to wrap your tape to hold that down as far as you can. So hold that down, wrap that tape round to pull it down so that doesn't move, like so. So now that's locked fully in drive, okay? Now it will move a little bit, but you've got to make sure that's fully down. So whether you tape it across here, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you've got to hold that in drive. Now obviously this piece isn't on at the moment, this is off with that little washer. Now on the Avalir, you can't really see it on the Avalir, but I'll show you on this anyway, and you can see a little mark that I've put there. So what I do, alright, so what I do with this is I either get a tape measure, and you can measure it, it's literally 1/4 inch or 6 mil. So from that edge, you want to put a mark 6 mil away from this edge. Or get a combination square and put a mark again against it, 6 mil. So if you're using a marker pen like I've used, then obviously it's going to want to go past that marker pen line, because the line that's closest to this is there. So you can see how thick that marker pen line is. Alright, so it wants to go in line with the edge of that marker pen. The other option you've got before you put it back on is you've got that little tiny circle. You'll see a little plastic circle again. So with that little circle, again, it wants to be to that side of the circle, and it's not the top point of this, it's actually the bottom point where it actually meets in like a V. That's the only way I can explain it. The other way as well is you can eye it up and make sure that this point here is in line with this point, the internal point of this. So you'll know if you've got it on correct anyway, because it'll be in line with there, and it will be literally 1/4 inch or 6 mil back from there. And then all you're going to do is just line it up with the spline, tap it on. Now we'll put a link into a video on how to repair these and how to tap them back on. You can just use a socket and a hammer to knock it back on so you don't damage anything. And then you'll put some crazy glue or some hot glue around there, and again I will put an all card above linking to that video. Now I hope this helps everybody. It's a simple fix and it's something Kirby needs to address, but this is the way you can fix them. It saves you buying a new one. If you want to buy a new one, there are links in the description below this video. So that is probably the easiest way I can explain it. So again, I'll go through it quickly again. You're going to put a combination square, set it to 1/4 inch or 6 mil, put it there like so, mark it with a marker pen or a Sharpie or whatever, and then put this on in line with this side of that marker pen line. and I hope that makes sense. Right, so I hope you understood that simple fix. It's the only way I can think of explaining it. Obviously, get some tape it round like I said, get your marking gauge or a tape measure, measure 1/4 inch or 6mm from this inside edge here, put a pencil line there or a marker pen. It's going to be a bit harder on an Avalir, obviously you're going to need something to scratch it because it's dark black, it's hard to see. Also, you've got that little round circle. Again, it's got to be to this side of the little round circle, and it's literally that very bottom part of that V there that's got to be in line. Okay, you'll see what I mean when you actually do it. Right, so it's literally got to be the bottom part of this V here, so that's the right side, the V that's in line with that, with your mark. So it's 1/4 inch or 6mm back from that edge. And also you can eye it through, like I said, that there should be in line with the inside of this plastic. So I hope that makes sense and I hope it helps everybody out. It is a simple fix. Again, I will put an iCard above linking how to put it back together to that video I did. And hopefully it helps everyone, saves you buying a new one. But if you do want to buy a new one and you find it a little bit hard to do that, or you haven't got the means of doing it, then again, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products, so make sure you check those out. Those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.